Hey guys, this is Jasmine here. I'm going to be talking about a great resource for teachers. It's a website. It's called Nearpod. What this website does is you can create lessons, you can find pre-made lessons, and the great thing is you can add formative assessments to these lessons that your students can do as you're going through it. And these lessons can be broadcast live to the students' devices. So we're going to go ahead and get started on Nearpod. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, I'm already here, but you want to go to nearpod.com. Okay, I'm going to click sign up for free. Okay, you can sign up with your email, you can sign up with your Google account, or you can sign up with Office 365. I'm going to sign up with Google. Now, I'm signing up for the free membership. There are other memberships available, so I'll kind of show you those and the prices of those. So here we have the silver, which is the free membership. You can have up to 40 students in that class, which is great. That's plenty. Then you can have up to 50 megabytes of storage, lessons up to 20 megabytes, and then you get the basic features. I will include a link to this website showing you the prices in the description, and I've also got this great PDF here that shows you what features you get with which membership. So I'll go ahead and include that in the description as well, so you can decide if you want to upgrade. But the gold membership, it just includes a little bit more memory and larger lesson sizes. The platinum membership actually includes all of that, plus you can also access all of the pre-made lessons for free. So you kind of just have to decide what you're going to use on the website and decide what will be the best value for you. For me, I probably will just use the free one because there's actually a lot you can do on the free membership, and I'll show that to you. Okay, so once you've created your account and you've logged in, you're going to see your lessons portal here. I've got 3 folders here. So if you want to create a folder, all you have to do is click create, add a folder, then you name it. I'm going to name it math, create, and it opens up to that folder. Now I'm going to go back to my library, and I'm going to show you how you can explore lessons. Okay, so if you want to explore the lessons that they already have, you just click this, explore lessons, and add one for free. Okay, and as you can see here, it has different categories. You can go down here. I'm going to click on, let's say, math. Here you can choose your grade. I'm going to choose grades 3 to 5. Okay, and then it has different lessons for different topics in math. Some of these portals have more than one lesson, but as you can see, you have to pay for the majority of these. If that's something you want to do, that's great. But you can also make your own lessons for free. So you go back to my library. You can click this right here, create your own lesson. Okay, now if you've already got a PowerPoint that you've created and would like to upload that, all you have to do is click Upload Files right here. You can upload from Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, Cloud Library, and I'm just going to go ahead and select a file from my computer. Oh, wrong one. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, and then it's going to load. We're just going to refresh the page because I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, anyway, but you can see how you can upload the slides to there. Another option you have is you can also create your own lesson on Nearpod. So you can either add content, add web content, or add activity. So if you go to add content, you have a lot of different options. So you can create your own slide just like you would do on PowerPoint. There's also this Nearpod 3D. There are some on here that are free. And so you can just click on any of these, like if you're studying Rome, you could do the Leaning Tower. Environment, they have all these different things here. So that's a really cool feature. If you're studying something in particular that they have, like if you're studying something about the human body, this would be a great place to go to look. Kind of brings it alive for the kids. If they're on like an iPad or something, the nice thing is they can move it around and look at it however they want. There's also, you can also add a website. Let's go back to add content. There's also simulations, digital field trips, BBC video, Microsoft Sway. You can add pictures, video, audio, PDF, and you can also add a live Twitter stream. So all you have to do for that is just put the person's username in the box there. Okay, to add web content, you simply just paste the URL there, and when you broadcast it to the students, it's going to take them straight to that website. Okay, then this is my personal favorite part. What you can do is you can add activities to your lessons. So let's say you're teaching a lesson about theme. Okay, then you can simply go to open-ended question and ask the students, what do you think the theme is in Harry Potter? And then they can write their responses, and you can go back and look at those later, and you can assess their responses. You can assess whether they're understanding or not. You can assign a grade to it, or you can choose not to. There's also matching pairs. Pretty simple. It's just matching. You can do a multiple choice quiz. It can be multiple choice or true and false. This one, they can draw something. So if you're doing science and maybe you want them to draw a food chain or something, they can do that and submit it to you. Collaborate. This is where the students can type comments or answers to a question, and it'll show all of them for all the students to see. There's also a poll, so you can have students vote on how they feel about a topic. There's fill in the blank. This is great for EL. You can do like a cloze test where you kind of just take out every nth word, and then the students have to figure out what words go there, and it does come with a word bank. And then there's also a memory test. which is where there will be like a picture and a term, and the students have to match those together. So it's a lot like the matching. And then in order to, I'm going to go to a lesson that I've already created. Okay, let's go into text features. Okay, so if you want to show this to the students, if you want them to all be at the same pace, you'll click Live Lesson. You can do student pace, but that doesn't come with the silver membership. You have to upgrade in order to do that. But you can go ahead and click Live Lesson. All the students have to do is go to the website and type in this code. I'll show you where they do that on the home page. Okay, so right up here at the top, it says enter code. All the student has to do is enter their code right there. They do not need an account or anything. They just enter the code right there. Now, from your computer as the teacher, you just guide the students through this as you're talking. It's pretty simple. Now, if you want to see what the lesson is going to look like from the student view, you can go to student view. So let's go here, and all you have to do is click preview. Okay. And this is going to show you what it looks like from the student's view. And this is where the students will answer these questions. And then we can go back to my library. The next thing I want to show you is student reports, okay? So there's not a lot of data on here right now because all I've done is answer the quizzes from my phone. But if you go into the session, it'll show you all of the students' answers. It'll show you a summary of how all of the students did as a whole class. So you can see it's got the poll, and it'll show you the results of the poll. The open-ended question, it'll show you their answers. You just click on each thing and you can see all of the results from the whole class. Okay, so that is the basics of Nearpod. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.